Hi everyone, this is Captain Mark with Captain Mark Reviews. Today I've got a new product. It's the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation with the built-in Alexa. This you can add Alexa to any room. And Alexa can play today's top hits, call mom, and see what the weather is. Explore tens of thousands of skills including Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, SiriusXM, Pandora, and many more. Also interlinks with TP-Link. Add Alexa to any room, designed for your voice only. It's voice-controlled music throughout your home. Control your smart home devices hands-free. The Echo Dot has Alexa built in. It's Bluetooth compatible. It's Wi-Fi in, and also has an audio line output with a microphone on and off button. So let's get to the open boxing and see what's inside. Okay, so let's open this up. This is the Amazon Echo Dot, the version 3. Let's pull this guy off. There we go. And open up the box. Oh, nice wrapping. I like the black color with the little Amazon logo on it. And this is our Echo Dot. Wow, it's nice. A little heavier than the Google Home Nest. And what we else have in here? We have some quick setups for it. Things to try with it. Some recommendations. Open the box, see what else is in here. And then we have our charging brick, our power brick, with the Amazon logo on it. Pretty cool, black on white. Let's take the wrapper off this. How do we get this off here? Gotta be easy. There it is. Pull like that. There we are. Wow, this is attractive. Look at that. So the top is plastic, and you can see the 4 buttons on here. This is a plus and minus. This must be like a on button, or this is the off button. I'm not sure. I haven't run it yet, but you can see it's got little speakers on the top. It's got the black charcoal or cloth appearance on the side, just like the Google does. I like that. It's like a hockey puck, just like the other one. And here we have your power cord, and I'm not really sure what this one does. Maybe to add a speaker to it. On the bottom, it's black rubberized, so it keeps it from slipping. Not very heavy, but wow, that is very slip-proof or move-proof. Doesn't move at all. Let's try to set it up and see how we can get this activated, how much trouble it is. The Google Home wasn't any problem at all, so we'll see how the Alexis works. Now, first of all, I downloaded the Alexa app on my tablet, and let's plug in our power cord, see what happens. As you can hear, it's starting up with some cool sounds.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app, bringing your device online. Just a moment.
Wow, this is great. Sets it all up for you and everything. Very simple. It says continue. So it's searching for devices right now. So we're ready to begin. It says press and hold the action button. So that's what the blue button is. You hold down on the action button. It turns to orange. Then turns to purple. Hit continue. It's searching for the device. It says good morning. Complete your device setup. Your device is almost ready, it says. Okay, well, that's fast. Hit continue. Which room will your Echo Dot be in? We're going to say in our downstairs. Hit continue. This is a quick setup for this thing. Okay, and he wants to know my home address. There we are. Hit continue. So let's look at our devices. downstairs. Mark's second Echo Dot. Cool. It's all set up, so that's great. So that was pretty quick setup. Let's try it out. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 8:06 a.m.
This is nice. Okay. Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
Right now, it's 48 degrees Fahrenheit. Today, expect a high of 68 degrees.
Wow, this is great. Okay, so easy setup. Not hard to do at all once you download the app. I also am going to be getting the little mini Echoes. I'm doing a review on those and see how those work. And I'm going to put them throughout my house. Alexa, turn music on.
Here's a playlist you might like. 100 Greatest 80s Songs on Amazon Music.
Wow, awesome. Oh, this has got a really good bass. Let's take a look at this guy. How can we change some of the, do the audio setting? Nice. So the controls you can see on this are really nice. You can adjust all the sound, all your Bluetooth devices, which I'm going to let you know I just bought a couple Bluetooth devices for my Amazon Echo, and I'm going to be doing a review on them. You're going to like them, so stay tuned for more videos coming up. This is great. You can pair this with subwoofers, other Bluetooth speakers. Seems to be pretty good. The sounds. It's got extending sound for alarms. You can set your alarms on there. Alexa, stop music. Let's go back here and some audio settings. So here we have the mid-range. I like to boost these up, and the bass a little bit. Let's see how it sounds. Alexa, play the music again.
I'll repeat the song.
Not bad quality of sound. And you can adjust the bass and mid-range and treble. Kind of lacking, I think, in the mid-range and treble. With the Google Home Nest, it really is loud in the mid-range and treble, but also the bass is lacking in the other one, so pretty nice. I am very impressed with this Amazon Echo Dot Gen 3. Quality build, looks nice, easy to use. Up on the top, you can see that it has the plus and minus buttons for easy access. You also have the mute button for muting the microphones, the dot button on top for quick linking the devices. Also, if you will notice that it has the 4 microphone pickups there, so easy picks up stuff from long distance. It has the fabric material on the sides, very nice, very attractive. On the back of the device, you can easily see where the power cord is, and it has an external jack to hook up devices on this. So all in all, this is a great little device. You can't go wrong with it. Very attractive, very inexpensive, and it's great fun for the family. So that's my review on the Amazon Echo Dot Gen 3 smart speaker with a built-in Alexa. This one comes in charcoal gray, and you can pick it up in many different colors. It's a very sharp color, quality built, good sound on this little device. You can pick it up from Amazon for $49.99, and I'll leave it below down in the description with a link to it. Also, I'm going to be picking up several different Alexa devices to work with this in my upcoming videos. So if you think the information was useful and helping you decide to purchase this item or any of the other items on my channel, why don't you give me that thumbs up? And also hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell to my left, your right, to catch all the upcoming videos of all my smart devices coming up to work with this Alexa. So this is Captain Mark, always saying to you guys, thanks for watching.